will start a demo of the training process for a lightweight model using STMicroelectronics Model View and NetsPresso Compressor. First, install the STMicroelectronics Model View and NetsPresso. Installation can be done with the simple command below. In the first step, we train AI models using STMicroelectronics Model View. Data for model training is the flower dataset, which you can download from the following link. Set up the YAML file and start model training with a simple CLI command. We lightweight the trained model using NetsPresso Compressor. To use NetsPresso, you need to create an account at NetsPresso.AI. You can use the compressor with the simple code like below. We will set the pruning ratio to 0.6. The compressed model experiences performance loss. To restore performance to its original state, fine-tuning is necessary. When fine-tuning, it is advisable to lower the learning rate to about 1/10 of the initial learning rate. Note that since the original information is retained, you may observe faster reduction in loss compared to the initial training. STMicroelectronics provides STM32Cube.AI service supporting model conversion and benchmarking on device. We input the previously trained model into the STM32Cube.AI to check the benchmark result on the STM32H747i Disco device. Let's compare the compressed model with the original. As seen in these graphs, there's a reduction in inference time, flash weight usage, and activation RAM usage. Considering the performance has actually increased, this is an incredibly impressive result. Develop high-performance models that operate quickly on STMicroelectronics device using all of NetsPresso's features. You can visit netspresso.ai to get started.